Welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. My name is Krzysztof and today I show you how to get free tokens on Canva page. To get free tokens you need to log into your page. If you doesn't have your own account, I'll put link in description on this video and you can create your own account on this page. And now I will show you how to get free tokens. To get free tokens you need referral friends. I will show you a simple trick how to get free tokens on Canva. First, you need your referral link. To get this link, you need to go to your account and click button refer friends. Like you see, I tested, I got free Canva credits. Here is your link. You need to copy this link and open this link in a incognito mode. This is my incognito mode. So I put here referral and now I need to create account. Like you see, I am a person who invites you to Canva. So you need to create account. So not using your private email for every time when you want to get Canva tokens. You can generate your emails using the temporarily email address. This is page temp mail.org. You can regenerate emails to use in your registration steps. So I have generated this email, so I can copy. And we back to page. We pushing sign up with email, typing this email, some password, and get started for free. Like you see, my account is created, and I can back to my account to check how many tokens I got. Refresh page, and still is free, like you see, because here is the reason what I doesn't get any tokens. When a friend joined Canva and created a design, you both earned 1 Canva credit. So we need back to this account, select some design, never mind what, add something, and that's all. This account has a first design, and I back to my account, and like you see, I have now 4 Canva credits. If you need more Canva credits, you can repeat this solution, and every time when you created new account and creating a design, you get new 1 Canva credit. I hope this video helped you, and if you like this video, please let's thumbs up or let some comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.